Welcome back to Bad Tree Productions. I'm Blake, one of your hosts today. The Hippy and Jabo built this. Kind of a gaff pull. Oh. And it's supposed to make it for loading engines into the shed a lot easier. That spare 318 we got. They added some extra bracing. And then they made a cross back here, extra bracing.
Yeah, I mean it's I'm not worried about this at all. This is
So what's the idea? You pick it up out here and then you just swing it and cut the rope?
Just pick it up and then just set it down and reposition the chain back here.
Yeah.
And then pick it up over this hump, I guess, or
Alright.
but I'm concerned that this pipe maybe isn't strong enough. I mean, this end, there's only 3 inches sticking out here. So if we're pulling this way, there's a potential that, I've got that hose clamp there, that pipe clamp there. There's a potential that it could pull it out this way, but we could throw a...
That adds to the danger factor. We should probably leave that off so we have a chance of failing, just for the internet.
Whatever.
Well, we weaseled the truck on in here. $500 truck. Gets a little bit of a fuel leak when she's at this angle. 318 jib. And get it set up and try to lift it. Swing it on in there. Yeah, you think it'd be a good idea to put an empty tire right here in case it pukes out?
Well, there's that shitty one right there.
Oh.
Kind of wondered about maybe getting another 2x6 and putting it right there, right where you're at, kind of like.
I don't know. I think it's good. It's to the point where I'm about ready to lift it. It's going to swing at me.
I don't like that. How's our pipe?
Right where I wanted the tire to be.
Okay. How's our pipe looking? Fucker's bending into that.
Yeah. It's in the shed.
Okay. There we go.
Oh.
Well, I'm surprised that worked. I thought for sure this pipe would give it up. Because it's kind of sketchy. I mean,
Well, it's just a dog fence.
yeah, it's just an 1/8 inch wall.
If that.
But by its nature, round tubing is stronger than square tubing. Not bad.
Because people have no idea how their money is being wasted, and it is the public's money. I think so. And this is why one of the big battles out there is going to be how much discretionary.
Here's a little bonus at the end of this. We haven't really showed the New Yorker since we got it. Jabo's got her quite titted out. On the mend of titting. It's getting there though. Let's go for a cruise. Did you put shocks in this or no? You haven't done anything really.
It's got air shocks in the back. Actually, should go fill them up at the Quick Trip, right?
You think it needs it?
We can work some windshield, should I?
Yeah, might as well. Junior's there. Fucking donk wagons down here too.
Is it?
Yeah.
PW.
That thing's wicked.
Isn't that nice?
Mm-hmm. Yeah, you'll put dunes on it right away. Old Daddy Kane pimping ain't easy.
Steering wheel squeaks.
There's the girls in the steel Vanther.
That's kind of funny.
Everybody's driving the old stuff around today. Old squeak here.
Yep.
What rear gears in this? Did you ever figure
I
it
have
out?
no idea. Probably 276, I imagine, or. But yeah. So I'm in the process of fixing the windows. I scrubbed all the window tracks, brake cleaner, got all the old lithium out, then re-lubed them. And this door yet, all it needs now is a new windshield wiper motor. But I had to go through and take care of all the power door locks. And then we threw an AVS2 automatic choke carb on it. I think it was a 650. But that thing right out of the box,
Choice.
nice. Because I actually got it on eBay from a guy that rebuilds them and then resells them. Thing looked like brand new. But yeah, it's not bad.
Oh.
Even better. And we got a core plug on this that leaks.
Is it weeping?
Yeah, so I don't know if I might have put some stop leak in this, maybe. I think I did.
I think you said you did.
And then I haven't driven it really since, but so I don't drive it too far. We'll probably have to pull the motor out of this and check to see if it needs to be resealed or whatever. We'll have to just check it.
He's also got the idea in his head about maybe just selling this, and there's a sweet 66 New Yorker out there.
Right. Or it's a Newport.
Or Newport.
Yeah.
That'd be either way.
Yeah, that'd be cool.
Pretty slick.
It's got dual 4-barrel cross ram set up,
Mm-hmm.
which is really kind of cool. It's Terry's car.
With a 383, right?
Is it a 383?
I believe so.
Maybe. Oh no.
She's grinding the door handles, folks. Smells good in here.
Yeah, it smells like 1971.
Mm-hmm.
But it's got air shocks in the back. I could probably try pumping them up, but just kind of pull to the right a little bit.
Yeah. Add about 2 pounds.
It might be tire pressure, I don't know. I just had Bruce throw these tires on, and I never did check the pressure, I guess.
Right.
Because even with the old tires, it never did pull, I guess, with them Dayton's or whatever the hell they were.
Right. And them tires were junk, though, too.
It's got, what, hooker headers on it?
Long
Dual
tubes.
exhaust.
Yep.
With like some, what do you call it? Turbo mufflers, I guess.
Oh, yeah.
So it's relatively quiet. Yeah, it ain't bad.
No. It would be nice to find another set of 20s, though.
For what?
This.
Don't get out of here. Not doing that.
Again.
No.
It really made the car look good, though.
Yeah, I kind of started acquiring a taste for it. But the wheels that are on this are they're 1979 Chrysler 300 wheels. They're cast in aluminum. So that kind of lightens this car up
And they're
quite
15s,
a bit.
right?
They're 15s, yeah. I put some Cooper Cobras on it. So yeah, the wheels. What the hell? They were, I don't know, 350 maybe, from a guy down in Des Moines. It just so happened he was driving up this way to go to Dubuque or something, and he personally delivered them. It was kind of neat. So
Looks like we got a meeting of the Cadillacs. box right here.
Meeting of the Escalades.
Watch out for the actual luxury car.
Yeah, no shit.
The
right?
Chrysler.
Yeah, I gotta go through and kind of de-rig the wiring. That's for the stereo. The factory radio does not work. Heater controls, they're kind of stuffed in there.
Yeah.
And nothing's hooked up under the hood as far as heat goes and stuff, but
But it's a nice day for it. Mitch in the 5th.
Fifth Avenue.
Yeah. Everybody's out cruising today.
You bet.
The 1 mile long town. This thing's so big, the rear's still at the school back there.
Oh, jeez. Yeah.
Duster fired up today.
Oh, did it?
Yeah. Took a little pumping.
Mm-hmm. I suppose.
A little cold-blooded.
All right.
Been hibernating since September.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, I replaced every electric window switch in this thing. One of the door lock solenoids. I ordered 2 of them. I ordered one. Or I ordered them both off eBay, but one was from California and it looked really nice.
The car cover blows off with the duster.
Of course.
Oh no.
And I plugged it in, and of course it didn't work. Then I picked up another one that said it was NOS/open box. Plugged it in, it didn't work either. So I took both of them to electric motor shop to walk on. Then he called me back up and he said they're both junk. There's no fixing them. And I'm going, all right. He goes, I could come up with a workaround for $300. And I go, yeah, let me check and see what I can find. Anyway, I went up on eBay and I picked up 4 door lock actuators. They're plastic, Chinese, $18.
There you go.
And I stuck one in, so now all the door locks work.
Nice.
So that's kind of cool.
China #1.
Yeah, all the windows work except for that one. This one back here. And then all the individual door switches work.
So I'm just kind of shit out of luck over here.
Yeah, you're screwed. And that's why you got no door handle or no nothing. 'Cause that's where I kind of left off when it started snowing.
All right, we'll see you back at the open air garage.
The seat all the way back.
Harder to get out of.
It's harder to get out of them, like one of my neons. Yeah.
What about the Dart or the Duster? Easier?
Oh, well, yeah, that with that. I mean, yeah.
The Valiant with the
Yeah.
car seat in it?
And there's no getting out of that, but
No.
But this is like the wheel isn't tilt telescopic. I mean, for a New Yorker, it doesn't have all the options. It's got rim blow, but it appears to not be blowing right at the moment.
You have to have the ignition
before.
forward.
I don't think so.
Oh no.
It was working.
That was the best part of the car.
I know. Damn it.
Maybe.
I don't know. Maybe it's a relay or something, or yeah, we'll have to check it out. Just throw it on the fucking pile of shit I gotta do, I guess.
Mm-hmm.
The seats are kind of like the foam padding is kind of dry rotted. Yeah.
Yeah. K-car seats, man.
Well, there you go. Maybe. I doubt it.
Well, that'll do it, I guess.
Right on.
Unless they want to see the Valiant start up.
Ooh.
You want to see that one? Yeah, haven't started the Valiant since last year. Feels like. Say what? Yeah? You need a big 2-door, I think.
Well, it would be nice.
Plus, I got a cell phone in my front pocket, which is going to make it even
Well, that'll
harder.
make it harder. Oh. Yeah, that's tough. Yeah, you could stand and move that seat back about 6 inches.
Watch out for the 318. 65 Barracuda, 273 V8. No more slant sixes anymore. Except for Tyler. Ooh. She's a sweetheart.
Has a run in what? Probably a month. I put it up here about a month ago. It was sitting in the yard.
Yeah. It's a pretty clean car other than the damn front fenders.
Yeah, the front fenders suck,
But we got some for it.
I've got some, yeah, but just gotta get around to it. It's got 68,000 original miles on it.
All the original foam's puking out the bottom of the seat too. Alright, well, that's it for this random episode.
You bet.
Hope you enjoyed us farting around the open air garage.
I hope it wasn't too disappointing. Oh, look at, I can hardly, oh, no, that's pretty nice.
You're more of a A-body first gen Barracuda guy.
Yeah. Whoops. Ouch. Alright.
Yeah.
Alright, what next?
Back to Magnum 360 stuff, I suppose.
I reckon.
Alrighty.
I gotta order parts for that yet. So, yeah. Right?
See you in the next one.
Later.